several of the novels have been optioned. One was bought outright by Paramount because Jodie Foster wanted to star in it. What can I tell you? They did not appear in film. So Paramount still owns the one for Jodie Foster. Then there was there was a book called Black Monday that came out, I don't remember, maybe 8, 9 years ago. That was about oil stuff, or the world going cold turkey on oil because a genetically engineered microorganism got into the world's oil supply and stopped it dead. And that one was optioned for a couple of years. They hired the top screenwriters. They produced scripts. Personally, I didn't like those particular scripts. Would have been fine if they got made, but the writer surrenders control of the story when you give the book to Hollywood. And sometimes that works in the writer's benefit because the script writers come up with something better. Sometimes they don't. In these instances, when I saw the scripts, and it's funny because scripts would keep coming, like every 3 months, a script would come, 4 months later, another writer, another script. One script would be night and day with the next script. Some of the scripts would have elements that were in the novel, other ones wouldn't. In the end, when it came to these particular scripts, they weren't made.